Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Christos Dantis, and he's gonna perform Topalo Mu Palto at Tour Health. This looks like a throwback.
Έχω πέσει και κλαίω στο παλιό μου παλτό που το είχα ξεχάσει στο παντάρι κλειστό, μες στις τσέπες του είχε ψυχουλάκια από σνακ.
Oh, he likes this song.
Και στη φόντρα του
I feel like we've seen something from his episode, because I recognize both of them.
εσύ για το δρόμο κονιάκ, τόσες κρύες στιγμές στην καρδιά μου ζεστές μέσα
You
στο
know, when I
σινεμά.
watch to Our Health, I'm most excited not to see the actual person singing. I want to see the
crowd
guests.
reaction?
I feel like that's the more exciting part.
It adds to it. Yeah, it adds to it. Yeah.
I know I never
Και
paid
στους
attention to the singer.
δρόμους μετά μου έμαθε τα ταξίδια.
But back then, the edits for To Our Health was way different. Like, for example, they do the that filter where you have the person's face floating.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, and then we have shots of the candle. That's interesting. We never
Λιτεύω
had that.
ψυχρό.
I guess to emphasize the sadness.
I think so. If it's serious, yeah, it's probably serious.
Και με χάνια καιρό το παλιό μου παλτό και έσβηνε το τσιγάρο στο μικρό πάνω χώμα σ' ένα υπόστεγο κάτσαμε.
I feel like Tour Health is like more interesting. Okay, who was invited this time? Who's sitting next to who? Who's drinking what? Who's having fun? Who's tired? You know?
Και γίναμε λιώμα και μια νύχτα τρελή σ' ένα άδειο βαγόνι μείναμε ως το πρωί και έξω έγινε χιόνι. Πως περάσαν τα χρόνια τι είναι αυτά που φορώ, ποιος αντέχει.
The title of the song he's singing means?
My old coat.
My old coat.
That is interesting. I have no
He
idea what
lost
this
his
song
old
is.
coat, or maybe what's awful is the coat that you had a long time and it has a hole in it. Wow.
I would think more so about the memories that you had when wearing that coat.
Yeah, the way it makes you feel. Mm-hmm.
No, not how it makes you feel. Like what you did.
Yeah,
like,
yeah. How those wearing those, like when you had like a special moment, how it made you feel. You remember, like, okay. So you see, looks are important. The outfits.
To some people, yeah.
Yes,
To
yes,
you
yes.
it is.
So I could have some the old coats that would resonate to me.
Right.
Θα με βγάλει χώρο το παλιό μου παλτό, το χαρίζω σε σένα.
Like maybe this was a quote for the first day of school, you know, first day of college, first job interview.
I'm more thinking the moment he met his love or something.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah. Who cares? He is not singing about his job interview.
Γιατί μοιάζεις σε μένα, γιατί μοιάζεις σε μένα.
I know Greek music is all about love.
Yeah,
So-
I was just thinking of myself, like, okay, like first day looks like, how you gonna say the first day of school? I like his vocals. I like a good line.
That's Karas, I believe. He reacted to him. This guy, I remember his face, but I don't remember his name. I don't know if he reacted to him as a singer or just seen him as a guest.
Σένα υποστεκώ, κάτσε με, ξεκινάμε πειράμα. Το παλιό μου παλτό το χαρίζω σε σένα, να προσέχεις μικρή μου, γιατί μοιάζεις σε μένα, 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 γιατί μοιάζεις.
I wonder what that phrase means because he keeps repeating it. It seems important, but is there lyrics by chance in the description? Ooh, yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure that's the line, okay? Because he looks like me.
Ooh,
so she-
okay.
She
I said-
left him because he looked... What?
And she found a person that looks like
Like
the
him.
2.0 version. of
Yeah,
him.
exactly. I think so. I think so too. Ooh, okay. That kind of explains why he sings so heartbroken because it looks like his heart is broken.
Wow, how devastating.
Okay.
Στο υγροπάνω κόμμα, σένα υποστεκώ, κάτσαμε και γίναμε πειράμα. Το παλιό μου παλτό.
Maybe he's wearing the same coat. It's about the coat.
And his is old.
It's about the damn coat.
And the color is faded.
Yes. It's all about the damn coat.
Να προσέχεις μικρή μου, γιατί μοιάζεις σε μένα, γιατί μοιάζεις σε μένα.
As I'm in the midst of applying.
Very nice.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.